Physiotherapy is concerned with maximizing movement and function, and it has a direct influence on the patient's quality of life.
It has been 22 long years of enriched professional experience clinically as well as academically.
The School of Physiotherapy has reached the pinnacle in today's scenario. The journey has embarked and made thorough professionals in physiotherapy education.
A lot of our students are providing their services all over the globe.
The D.Y. Patil School of Physiotherapy was established in the year 2001, and since the last 18 years it has witnessed a great progress in all quality domains, be it curriculum, infrastructure, research or resources.
The School of Physiotherapy follows various pedagogical principles which are related to the different domains of learning, which are cognitive domain, psychomotor domain and the attitudinal domain.
School of Physiotherapy has ICT enabled classrooms which are well equipped with various audio visual aids. 7 of our laboratories are well equipped and they cater to undergraduate students, postgraduate students as well as to the PhD scholars.
And since its inception, School of Physiotherapy has been working incessantly towards being recognized as a world-class institute, wherein we disseminate knowledge and provide a unique learning experience for the students.
It is the most sought after healthcare profession, and it's a very important component in all spheres, be it orthopedics, neurology, cardiac, pulmonary, sports and many more.
We use these various teaching learning methods like didactic lecture, bedside clinics, tutorials, small group teaching, and we also have skills lab. In the skills lab, we teach various competencies in exercise therapy and kinesiology.
Our library is well equipped with various national, international journals and databases which enhances research and learning experience.
We emphasize the communication skills and empathy towards our patients. We try to develop this through sensitizing them through various role plays, industrial visits and camps which help them in understanding the different communicable diseases which are prevalent.
We provide our services through inpatient and outpatient physiotherapy departments, various specialty clinics as well as intensive care units.
The School of Physiotherapy department has the state-of-art equipments like the surface EMG machine which picks up the electromyographic signals. We have the myomotion which we can use for research.
The equipment which we have, which is called a myomotion, is the movement analyzer, and basically it has sensors. With these sensors, we can assess the movement in any joints. Once we place the sensors at any two segments, like if I place the sensor at the thigh and the leg, then I can sense the movement of the joint which is in between, that's the knee joint.
And today we can say with great pride that we have world-class facilities and pedagogical skills which are being reviewed and updated in a continuous manner so that we are meeting up the changes which are occurring in higher education.
There are a lot of innovative methods which are available in medical education. Apart from classroom teaching, we have LMS system where a lot of videos we can put forward, we can share various experiences, case studies.
It's very important that the teacher needs to be passionate about teaching. When you teach, you learn twice, and that quality needs to be imbibed in the students, because medical field is not just coming and learning. You need to follow up with a lot of patience, a lot of learning needs to be done to become a skillful physiotherapist.
All in all, we can say that the state-of-art academic deliverables that we have here at School of Physiotherapy does not just make it encouraging and engaging for the students, but makes it a lot effective too.
The field of physiotherapy is growing in India. We are the one who are creating those pillars for our students so that they can move ahead and take our profession ahead. I have these things in mind that we are going to encourage the new generation to be the role model in the field of physiotherapy.